You open your eyes. Before you even say good morning to yourself, life has already begun. Messages, responsibilities, expectations, thoughts you didn't invite, feelings you didn't choose, questions you didn't prepare for. And somewhere in all of that, you're supposed to know what to do. Life doesn't wait. It doesn't hand you a syllabus. It doesn't say, here are the questions you'll face today. It simply places the paper in front of you and says, answer. Some questions are small. A conversation you've been avoiding. A habit you promised to break. A decision about your health. Some questions are heavier. Money, family, fear, loneliness. And the strange part is this. Your answers today quietly design the questions of tomorrow. In school, you knew the pattern. You studied the syllabus, you memorized the chapters. You walked into the exam hall knowing what to expect. But life is not a mock test. Every morning, you wake up to a fresh exam. No optional questions, no skipping the hard ones. And even if you leave a question blank, life still counts it as an answer. So the real question becomes, what tool are you using to answer life's questions? Your habits? Your reactions? Your emotions? Your focus? All of them come from one place, your brain. And here is the truth most people never hear. Your brain is a biological machine, and biology has laws. You cannot change what you do not understand. Most people go through their entire life without ever understanding the machine that runs it. Not their car, not their phone, their mind. How it thinks, how it predicts, how it reacts, how it shapes their future. That is why Deuron exists.